Hi, I'm Dr. Jason West, and if you're struggling with stubborn nail fungus that just won't go away, I want you to know there's hope. At the West Clinic here in Pocatello, Idaho, we've helped thousands of patients reclaim healthy, beautiful nails using advanced natural therapies. When you come in for your first visit, we'll do a comprehensive evaluation to understand exactly what's causing your nail fungus and how long you've been dealing with it. Then we'll create a personalized treatment plan just for you. One of our most effective treatments is ozone bagging therapy, which uses the power of medical-grade ozone to eliminate fungus at the source. It's gentle, natural, and incredibly effective. I know you might be hesitant because you've tried other treatments before, or maybe you're worried about the cost or time commitment. But here's what I want you to know. We create a caring, supportive environment where you'll never feel judged, and we work with you to find solutions that fit your life and budget. Don't let nail fungus hold you back any longer. Call the West Clinic today, visit our website, or book your appointment online. We also offer telemedicine consultations, so distance doesn't have to be a barrier to getting the help you need.